Welcome back to Brutology. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and luxurious lifestyles. On wheels, what many call the road, palaces of the UK, the most expensive motorhomes ever seen. These are not ordinary vehicles. They are mansions on wheels, a blend of cutting-edge technology, superior engineering, and the kind of luxury that rivals five-star hotels. Imagine hitting the open road but never leaving behind the comfort of your own private suite, complete with everything from gold-plated interiors to cinema rooms, personal chef's kitchens, and even private garages for your sports cars. This is the world of the ultra-wealthy who choose to travel in style without ever compromising on luxury. Motorhomes have come a long way since the simple caravans of the past. In the UK, where countryside journeys and road adventures are cherished traditions, the wealthy elite have taken things to a new level. These road palaces are a statement of wealth, individuality, and status. The people who own them are not just buying a vehicle. They are purchasing a lifestyle, one that allows them to move freely across the country or the continent while being cocooned in absolute luxury. One of the most stunning aspects of these motorhomes is the price tag. We're not talking about hundreds of thousands of pounds. Some of these vehicles are worth millions. They are crafted by specialist manufacturers who pour in years of innovation and craftsmanship to make each one unique. Think of it like buying a private jet, but instead of the skies, this palace takes over the roads. And unlike jets, these motorhomes allow you to stop at the most scenic spots, from the rolling hills of the Cotswolds to the stunning coastlines of Cornwall, without ever worrying about hotels or reservations. Let's talk about what makes them so special. First, the interiors. Step inside and you'll find marble countertops, handcrafted leather sofas, designer lighting, and custom-made furniture. Every detail is carefully chosen to reflect elegance and sophistication. Many of these motorhomes come with expandable sections that slide out when parked, doubling the living space and giving the feel of a luxury apartment. Some even include crystal chandeliers, heated flooring, and touchscreen control panels that allow the owner to adjust everything from temperature to lighting with a swipe of a finger. Then there's the technology. These motorhomes are smart homes on wheels. Advanced security systems, satellite connections, and state-of-the-art entertainment setups are standard. Imagine watching your favorite shows on a massive, flat-screen television while cruising through the Scottish Highlands, or hosting a movie night inside your private cinema room after a day, exploring the Lake District. For those who can't leave work behind, there are executive office setups built inside, complete with high-speed internet, ergonomic chairs, and hidden monitors. It's no exaggeration to say that some of these motorhomes are more advanced than the homes most people live in. Another incredible feature is the kitchen and dining experience. Forget small microwaves or compact cookers. These motorhomes often come with full-sized gourmet kitchens, fitted with induction hobs, convection ovens, wine coolers, and refrigerators large enough to store food for weeks. Some owners even hire professional chefs to travel with them, turning every meal into a fine dining experience. Picture dining on fresh seafood while overlooking the cliffs of Dover, all from the comfort of your rolling palace. Of course, the luxury doesn't end with the main living area. Bedrooms in these motorhomes can rival those in top hotels. King-size beds with premium mattresses, silk linens, walk-in wardrobes, and private ensuite bathrooms are common features. The bathrooms themselves are often works of art, with rainfall showers, heated towel racks, and sometimes even spa-style bathtubs. It's the kind of comfort that makes you forget you're inside a vehicle at all. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature of these road palaces is the garage. Yes, many of them come with built-in garages to carry supercars or motorbikes. Imagine stepping out of your luxury motorhome, parked at a country estate or beside a coastal road, and then pulling out a Ferrari or a Lamborghini to explore the local area. It's an unmatched combination of freedom and extravagance that only the wealthiest can enjoy. In the UK, these motorhomes aren't just about personal use. They're also a growing trend in luxury tourism. High-net-worth individuals rent them for holidays, preferring the privacy and exclusivity they provide over even the best hotels. Why stay in one place when your palace can move with you? From Scotland's north coast, 500 route to the picturesque villages of the Cotswolds, these motorhomes make it possible to explore in unmatched comfort. The engineering behind these vehicles is also worth mentioning. Built to withstand long journeys and provide stability on all kinds of roads, they combine power and precision. Many are fitted with high-performance engines, advanced suspension systems, and eco-friendly technologies that make them more sustainable than you'd expect. Some manufacturers are even experimenting with hybrid and fully electric luxury motorhomes, bringing together green technology and opulence in a way that will redefine travel in the future. Of course, this kind of luxury comes with exclusivity. Very few of these road palaces exist, and each is often custom-made for its owner. Prices can range anywhere from £500,000 to over £2 million, depending on the level of customization. For the billionaires and celebrities who own them, they represent not just a vehicle but a symbol of success and freedom. Owning one means you can go wherever you like, whenever you like, without leaving behind the comforts of home. What's also fascinating is how these motorhomes represent a changing lifestyle. More and more, the ultra-rich are looking for ways to combine mobility with luxury. They want experiences, freedom, and privacy, and these road palaces give them all of that. Unlike static mansions or holiday homes, a motorhome of this scale is a mansion that moves with you, ensuring you always have the best view, the best location, and the best comfort. For those of us who can only dream about stepping into one, they remain a source of wonder. They capture the imagination, showing what's possible when no expense is spared to bring comfort and mobility together. They're not just vehicles. They're a glimpse into a lifestyle where the road itself becomes part of your home. So next time you see a massive, gleaming motorhome cruising along a British motorway, remember, it might just be one of these incredible road palaces, carrying inside it a world of unimaginable luxury. These motorhomes redefine what it means to travel, turning every journey into an experience of a lifetime. And that is why they are truly the most expensive motorhomes ever seen in the UK. And that wraps up today's journey through Britain's road palaces. If you enjoyed exploring the world of luxury motorhomes with us, make sure to stay tuned for more fascinating stories of British lifestyle, culture, and extravagance. This is Britology, and we'll see you in the next one.